Have you ever wondered if a dash cam could save you money, time, and headaches after an accident? Well, today we are counting down the top 10 dash cams to protect you in an accident, and you don't want to miss number 1. Hey everyone, I'm Tia at Trailstone, and at Nunman1962 asked about dash cams in a comment in another video. So today we're talking about the best picks for dash cams. Okay, so dash cams have become an essential tool for drivers, whether it's combating insurance fraud or capturing fun moments or even protecting yourself after an accident. Let's dive into why you need one and count down the top 10 dash cams for 2025. Dash cams are more than just gadgets. They can be lifesavers. I think Tesla sets the standard with its built-in cameras, but for the rest of us, aftermarket options are the way to go. They protect you from false claims, document accidents, and they might even capture a viral moment. So if you're ready to find out your perfect fit, let's count them down. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Street Guardian SGG CX2 Pro Plus. Known for its durability and exceptional video quality, this dash cam performs incredibly well in extreme climates from scorching heat to freezing cold. It's really the workhorse of dash cams built to last. So while it doesn't include features like Wi-Fi or app connectivity, its simplicity is exactly what makes it appealing for drivers who want reliability without any distractions. So if you're navigating through harsh weather or just want a no-fuss device, this is your go-to option. At number 9, the M500 delivers exceptional value without breaking the bank. It records in sharp 1944p HD resolution and comes with features like GPS tracking, built-in storage, and advanced driver assistance systems for lane departure alerts. And I really like the M500 because this is the perfect starter dash cam for new drivers or budget-conscious shoppers like myself. So despite its affordability, it doesn't compromise on performance, making it one of the best value options on the market. Okay, coming in at number 8 is the Viofo A129 Pro Duo, and I think this is an outstanding option for drivers seeking premium features without the premium price tag. This dash cam offers 4K recording for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, ensuring you capture every single detail from all angles. It's equipped with GPS and Wi-Fi, so it's really easy to review footage on the go. And for budget-conscious drivers who want a balance of quality and affordability, the Pro Duo is the top contender. Okay, at number 7, the Thinkware F800 Pro brings advanced safety technology to your dashboard with dual-channel recording and features like lane departure and forward collision warnings. It's kind of like having a co-pilot keeping you safe. Its sleek design and superior video quality make it a favorite among drivers who value safety, though it doesn't record in 4K. So if staying alert on the road is your top priority, the F800 Pro is a fantastic choice. And at number 6, I picked the Rove R2-4K Pro. It impresses with stunning 4K resolution and advanced night vision, which is perfect for capturing crucial details day or night. And it also includes built-in GPS for location tracking, making it ideal for road trips or daily commutes. This thing is affordable yet powerful, and it's a reliable choice for anyone wanting crystal clear video without spending a fortune. The BlackVue DR900S-2CH takes my number 5 spot, combining premium 4K front and full HD rear recording with seamless cloud connectivity. This dash cam lets you access your footage remotely, making it perfect for those tech-savvy drivers or luxury car owners. Its slim, stylish design fits discreetly in any car, but be prepared to pay a premium for all of its high-end features. Okay, coming in at number 4 is the Garmin Dash Cam 66W. It's a tiny yet mighty device, and it features a wide 180-degree field of view, voice control for hands-free operation, and a fun travel lapse feature that condenses long drives into short, shareable clips, which I personally love the travel apps feature. Its compact design is perfect for road trippers or anyone who wants a dash cam that doesn't take up much space. And at number 3, the Motive AI dash cam redefines what a dash cam can do. With its artificial intelligence, it monitors unsafe driving behaviors, provides real-time alerts, and can even improve safety for commercial fleets. So while it's on the pricier side, the AI technology makes it invaluable for anyone who takes safety seriously. This is a great selection for commercial fleets or even parents with youthful drivers. And the runner-up on our list is the VanTrue N4 Pro 3, a triple channel dash cam that captures the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle with 4K front recording and 1080p for the other channels. It's perfect for rideshare drivers or really anyone who wants full vehicle coverage. This dash cam is a versatile and affordable option for those who need comprehensive protection. Finally, taking the top spot is the Nextbase 622 GW, the ultimate dash cam that combines cutting-edge technology with unmatched convenience. It records in stunning 4K, includes built-in Alexa for voice commands, and even has emergency SOS to alert responders in case of an accident. It's a little on the pricey side, but this is the dash cam that does it all, making it perfect for families and safety-conscious drivers who want the absolute best. All right, now that you've seen my top picks, which dash cam fits your needs? Check out the links in the description to shop on Amazon. And I know this video was about dash cams, but remember, Trailstone can save you money by comparing rates from over 40 top-rated insurance companies. And if you've got a wild dash cam story, drop it in the comments below. A dash cam isn't just an accessory. It's your driving partner, providing you some security in an accident or recording something fun. So please share what's your wildest road story. If you've got a video, post it in the comments. Thanks for watching. Until next time, drive safe.